Exploring art through galleries, a tour worth taking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're embarking on a unique journey, a journey through art galleries. Whether you're an art aficionado or just curious about the culture, understanding what an art galleries tour means will enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. So, let's get started and unlock the beauty of art together. When we break down the phrase, art galleries tour, we're looking at two key components, art galleries and tour. Art galleries are spaces or buildings where art is displayed. These can range from modern art to classical paintings, sculptures, and more. The word tour implies a journey or exploration, often guided, through these spaces. So, an art galleries tour is a guided journey through one or more art galleries, where visitors can appreciate, learn about, and discuss various pieces of art. An art galleries tour is more than just a walk through rooms filled with art. It's an educational experience that offers insight into the art world. Learn about different art movements, styles, and the history behind the artworks. Cultural enrichment. Understand the cultural significance of artworks and how they reflect societal values and history. Personal growth. Art can evoke emotions and thoughts, offering a personal journey of discovery and interpretation. To truly benefit from an art galleries tour, consider these tips. 1. Do some research. Before visiting, learn a bit about the galleries and the type of art they exhibit. 2. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask your guide about the artwork, artists, or any general inquiries you have. 3. Take your time. Allow yourself to fully absorb and appreciate the art. It's not about the quantity of art you see, but the quality of your experience. We hope this video has painted a clear picture of what an art galleries tour is and why it's a worthwhile experience for anyone interested in the intersection of art, culture, and language. Remember, art is a universal language that speaks to our emotions, thoughts, and experiences. So, why not take a tour and see what conversations you can have with art? Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep exploring and learning.